how geologists discovered something unusual was happening. Yellowstone volcano geologists discovered something unusual was happening at the park that left them baffled, a documentary reveals. The Yellowstone Caldera has earned the terrifying label of a supervolcano because of its ability to cause destruction on a global level. Located between the states of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, this volcano is continuously monitored by the USGS, looking for signs of a super eruption taking place. However, geologists experienced a brief moment of uncertainty in 2004 when something inexplicable happened. This could be the next Mount St. Helens, explains in detail why scientists are confused. The narrator explained in 2015, there have been 3 super eruptions over the last 2.1 million years, the last major eruption occurring 640,000 years ago. The previous one occurred 666,000 years ago, which has many people wondering what happened next. There are signs that something unusual is happening in the park. In 2004, 5 bison were found dead in Geyser Basin. The 5 animals were discovered by park rangers, who notified geologists at the USGS. Dr. Hank Heisler, who investigated the mystery, said, "They were not in the typical death pose, like a curled-up cat. It looked like they had just fallen. We thought it was just a very cold night, a very quiet night. The geothermal gases accumulated and then the bison just fell where they were standing." Upon reflection, scientists came to the conclusion that the bison had been killed by a mixture of toxic gases produced by the magma beneath Yellowstone National Park. The narrator explains in the same series, the gases were identified as hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, 2 components found just beneath Yellowstone soil, boiling hot magma. The Yellowstone supervolcano sits in what geologists call a hot spot. Unlike other volcanoes in the world, Yellowstone is not shaped like a cone with a crater at the top. Instead, it is a caldera, a large depression in the earth 15 miles long and 30 miles wide, that formed during its last major eruption. In the same series, researchers also claimed the caldera beneath the park was a time bomb. They said, "There is one volcano in the US that has the potential to cause destruction on a much larger scale." It is located 575 miles away from Mount St. Helens in the northwest corner of Wyoming. For more than a century, tens of millions of visitors have admired Yellowstone's stunning views. But behind this spectacular beauty lies a ticking time bomb. Yellowstone is one of the largest volcanic systems on Earth, and scientists call it a supervolcano because of the magnitude of its past explosions. The theory behind this comes from the last 3 caldera-forming eruptions which occurred 2.1 million years ago, 1.3 million years ago, and around 630,000 years ago. Many believe this proves that we can expect another super-eruption to occur in the future. However, USGS scientists say this theory is dead wrong.